Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. You know, I can't go high. I have to keep it medium low. Working on it, but it's still here. Sometimes it goes, sometimes it comes, but sometimes, so I'm gonna soon get it under control. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And you all, compliments of the season. From you see this, you know the real Jamaican thing began. Okay, y'all, all the new subscribers, welcome and thank you. Now today what I want to do for you is the traditional Jamaican sorrel drink. Okay, I want to show you how you make this drink my way. Everybody do it their different way, but this is the way that I've seen my mother do it. This is the way that you get the right flavor, the right blend, the right taste. Right here I have 1.5 pounds of sorrel bud. Now this thing here, it comes on a straight like a limb, and then this grows around it, and inside of this is a nut. So what they will proceed to do, the people who pick it, who prepare it for like this, who harvest it for us to use it now, they just take something and push under here, and then that nut would come out. Inside that nut there is a bundle of seeds. So you're not going to get it with the seed for buy, because them want to see them for dry, for sow back for the next season. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. This is the red one. They have the white ones. Was trying to get some for you, but I did not. So if I do, I'll make a video for you with it. Now this is 1.5 pounds of sorrel. Mind you, wherever you are, you'll not get it like this. You'll get it dried, because it can't keep long like this. It will rot. So they have to dry it to export it, unless you plant it at home or your friend or somebody else, but it can't keep for long. So when you get it dried, this is 1.5 pounds. When this is dried, it will come down to be probably like a handful. So I want you to take note. So when you buy it dry, you will have an idea how much water to put on it, because the amount of water and the spice is what does the trick. It's not something that you have to put a whole heap of water. So I'm going to show you how much water, the proportion. This is 1.5 pounds. I'm going to put it inside of my pot here. Okay? Remember, please wash it. You need to wash it thoroughly. Okay, y'all? Please wash it thoroughly. Sorry for my croaking voice. Here it go and come. That's how it goes. Alright. Now you have it in there. You see it red and pretty? Alright. You want to have some boiling water for this thing. But right here, I have some cinnamon leaf. This is about 5, but because they were broken up, so you're going to put these at the top. This is how I do mine. I have some dried orange peel. And I have this amount of ginger. Okay, so I'm going to beat my ginger real. You want to beat your ginger like this. Okay, so you want, probably this would be good. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure how much this, but to this amount of ginger. Yeah, water must be boiling like that. And you're gonna turn your flame off. This is about 3 quarts, but look at me. Be careful, y'all. You're gonna pour. Be careful, camera girl. You're gonna pour it right over. And I'm gonna show you when you to stop. This is about 3 quarts of water I have here. Boiled water. Right? Oops. Okay. Now, I think we want this other piece of ginger. This is what you want. No more. You're going to give it a little stir. Like that, to get everything over. The water, once the water cover it, you're good to go. No more. So you're going to leave it like this to steep. Don't do not boil. Don't boil. leave it to steep with the boiling water for 12 hours. Don't boil, y'all. Don't boil. Okay? And I leave some of the link in the description in case you're not hearing what I'm saying. Okay? So, we're going to leave this for 12 hours. And after 12 hours, when we come back, we're going to show you how we treat it, how we put it together, how it becomes traditional or authentic, what we use. Okay, y'all?